Obesity isn't just a Western issue anymore. India is now at the front lines of a weight crisis. Enter Wegovy and Mounjaro, global weight loss drugs making their way into Indian pharmacies. Marketed as miracle treatments, they promise major fat loss without surgery. But are they really the solution India needs? Over 135 million Indians are estimated to be obese or overweight. Urban lifestyles, poor diets, and screen-heavy routines are pushing the numbers even higher. That's where these drugs come in. Originally designed for diabetes, but now FDA approved for weight loss. With global celebrities endorsing them and billion-dollar pharma backing, they've become the latest obsession. Both Wegovy and Mounjaro belong to a class called GLP-1 receptor agonists. In simple terms, they mimic a hormone in your body that tells your brain you're full. The result? You eat less, feel satisfied sooner, and lose weight, often over 10 to 15 kilos in a few months. But remember, it's not magic. They need to be injected weekly, monitored closely, and combined with lifestyle changes. Let's talk rupees. A month's dose can cost between Rs 20,000 to Rs 30,000 in India. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and rare pancreatitis. Plus, if you stop using them, many people regain the weight. So while the results are real, the maintenance is long-term and costly. For a country like India, lifestyle interventions remain the gold standard. Regular walking, balanced meals, mindful eating. These drugs may help a small group, especially those with obesity-related complications. But for the masses, prevention through education, movement, and nutrition is key. Wegovy and Mounjaro are tools, not shortcuts. If you're struggling with your health, consult a medical professional. And if you believe real change starts with small daily habits, then hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started.